start the recording again. So VIP has got the link to enter now. And what we can see here is the numbers is clearly going up crazy. You can see here the users. Here's Teilnehmer in Germany. That means participants or members or whatever. Now let me please do one more thing. I'm gonna put in a code as well. Okay, link will be shared here in 1 minute. 400 people inside. Select, forward, Gold Trader Mo. 38. We have 43. That's 5 minutes now. There you go. So guys, welcome to Gold Trader Mo's live stream. Cheers, guys. Just making a video quick for Instagram so we are all on the same page. I'm having a live stream right now. The link has been published for free in the Telegram channel where you can get inside for free. Then get inside this link here, inside the live call with over 650 people inside. It's just 1,000 slots. Once this is filled, then you can no longer enter this. I'm gonna update you in another story if we have reached the 1,000, or actually let's give it a few more seconds. I'm pretty sure we're gonna fill in the 1,000s now within a few more seconds, guys. Yeah, just give it a few more seconds. 800 inside, it's just 200 more left. Yeah, let's fill this to 1,000, then I'm gonna start straight with the live stream, guys. It's not much left. 850 people inside now. I can't record anymore. Okay, guys. 900. 908. Like I was saying, it's just like one of them ones. I know that my community is always active and ready, waiting for these calls here. Yo, guys, again, Mo is back here. I couldn't record any longer because Instagram has finished it off. 950, 960, getting close to the 1,000 now. If you have missed this link, I'm gonna put in the Telegram link here above my head. Get inside the Gold Trader Mo family. Start making money. Cheers and have a good day. Guys, welcome. I'm back here just for you now. Let me save this one here. Gold Trader Mo at Gold Trader Mo. Telegram. Okay, guys, welcome. First of all, I hope you're all doing good. I hope you are all, by the way, 1,000 limit reached. I hope you're all doing good. Right now, I'm still holding my trade, the sell trade. I'm holding it. I'm gonna be explaining you today that we can make money and we can lose money in this live call. So please do not follow me if you cannot afford to lose the money that you have in your trading account. So starting today with a blank chart on gold. Why has Mo decided to sell gold today? Clearly, have a look on a 1 hour time frame. The push that has happened yesterday during the news of the US was a move of 400 pips downwards, which is very strong, which is not happening every single day. A 400 pip move straight within a few couple of candles. Yeah, 1 hour. This is 2 candles which made a 400 pip move. You will not always find 2 candles in a row making 400 pips. Have a look at these 2 candles in a row. They made 200, which is also insane. Have a look at this one here. That is 230 pips. Have a look at this one. This is just 1 candle, 150. This one is a few more, 190. This one is also a big move, 240 in 1 candle. Yeah, now let's check the opposite. A few candles up here, 140 pips. Have a look here. 85 pips. This a few more candles, 320 pips. This is actually 5-6 candles. Yeah, this has happened in 2 candles. Yeah, you will not find this big moves every time. Okay, but yesterday was a big move. So why did I decide to go and jump in a sell today again? Is because I'm following the trend. The trend at the moment on gold is or has changed to a downtrend. Yeah, like overall we might be in a big time frame, an uptrend, but the current right now situation is breaking above all previous lows. Yeah, have a look here. Previous low, breakout, previous low, breakout, previous low, previous low, previous low. All of them been breaking out yesterday. All of them been breaking out yesterday. From time to time, I'm watching my trade, by the way. Okay, guys? This is when I'm opening this MetaTrader app here. So we're just way too bearish at the moment. And watching the dollar is too strong. So if gold, or if the dollar is strong, then the dollar is weak. Because we are trading a pair which is called gold versus USD. So they are working the opposite. Always have a look at this. Dollar. Bitcoin, you don't need to watch for now. Dollar is interesting to watch. Watch it. Have a look. When this goes up, this goes down. So yesterday, let's switch to 30 minutes time frame. Yesterday, when the news appeared at 2:30, yeah, have a look. This is the 30 minutes time frame on the dollar, yeah. This is the move at 2:30 here on the bottom. You can see the time, yeah. Here, 2:30. This is the move because the news of USD have been green yesterday. This is the move of the dollar at 2:30. Have a look at the time, right? You can see the time like this. Have a look, 2:30, same time. Exact same time. Yeah. And now I'm gonna go into a lower time frame. All this higher time frame analysis are made before I placed my sell. Now I'm back into blues, into profits. Now I'm gonna explain you why I have sold. So have a look. First of all, what you can see here is you mark the small sideway that you have here on the bottom after the crash which happened yesterday. After a crash, after a breakout, usually what happens is the trend continues going in the downwards or upwards direction after a sideway. It just needs to calm down a little bit. It does not have more power to go up or down. So it just makes a sideway to finish the day off or the big move yesterday off. So big crash, then it was the sideway, US session, Asia session opened, London session opened. Nobody can make it out of this sideway. Only US session, clearly. This is just a too big move, which we need to wait for US session to see what happens now after that. They only can make the decision, not Euro and not Asia. No way. Okay, because the biggest volume comes from the dollar. So once the US session opens at 2 p.m. in German time, yeah, in exactly 1 hour and 9 minutes, then we're gonna have more volume. And why I sold today is just is a small sideway. If you check the range, yeah, this is 60 pips. Yeah, we started selling somewhere at 90 and 70, 90, 20. That means, let's have a look on the time as well. 1 second. When did I send out the signal? At 10:45. 10:45 was somewhere here. Yeah. So this is the price where we are currently in and the price where we are or where we have started selling. Yeah. Let me make this big so I can explain you now how to make the most money in GTMO signals. Yeah. So for examples, let's say that this here at 90.40 is not 90.20 it was. Yeah. 90.20 here. So this was your first entry. And based on most strategy, you do layer your entry every 5 to 10 pips. Layer entry means you enter one more entry. Yeah. But before you do place this all entries, you need to have a max lot size with a max loss you want to take on this trade. for example, let's say that your max lot is 1.0. Yeah, what you do is you have your first entry here at 90.20. At 91.20, you have the second entry. At 92.20, you have the third entry. At 93.20, maybe you have the fourth entry. So you have in one trade, in one signal, you have, based on this lot size, you have 4 entries. So you need to break this 1.0 lot down to, let's say, like that. Wait. I want to make it perfect. So because this example, maybe many of you can take, yeah. So if we have a max lot size of 1, let's take 0.25 for the first, then we have 75 left. This is too much. This is way too huge. Let's take 10, 20. This is now 30. Let's make it different. 15. So now we have 25. We put 50 here and then another 50 here. Or you do 20, here you do 40. Is this one or is this more? This is more than one lot. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 60. Yeah, 1. That's it. 1. Sorry, I calculated in Germany. So 10 lots plus 20 is 30 lots, plus another 30, 60, plus another 40 is 1.0, your max lot size. So now let's say that you took first entry, or let's say just like this, yeah, 0.10 here. I'm very bad in math. Sorry for that, guys. I might have made you guys. Oh, I looked embarrassing, maybe. I don't know. Never mind. I can still make money. So let me just make this a little bit more looking better. Oh, this might be too small. Okay, 20 is fine. So we're gonna start exactly what happened in the financial market once I sent the signal. I sent the first signal out here. So at this price somewhere here, you should be entering your first entry. Your second entry should be when this goes up here, exactly here. Your third entry should be here. And then your last entry should be, if we follow this went up straight, should be here. Yeah. So now you've got your 1.0 lot size in. Yeah. Calculate this before you do this 1 point. This is just an example. Yeah. Now the trade goes into drawdown. It goes into drawdown. It keeps going into drawdown. You have a max, you have a high lot size here at the top. Yeah. Let's say your stop loss is somewhere here, just for an example. Yeah. If you hit the stop loss now with this max lot size and with this strategy, you're going to be hitting lot size with this trade with 0.40 pips, which is obviously your highest lot size that you have placed. You're going to have 14 pips. This is just an example, not based correctly on the signal. You have 14 pips loss on 0.40 lot. You have 22 pips loss on a 0.30 lot. Yeah. Then you have a loss of 35 or 33 pips on 0.20. And the last loss you have is on the smallest lot size, and this is the highest loss you would have based on the pips, because this is the farthest way to your stop loss, which is 42 pips. In total, you should have something in general about a 60 pips loss on the complete move. Yeah. Now, if your 0.40 lot hits the stop loss just with 14 pips difference to the stop loss, your loss is going to be way less. If you hit take profit with this 0.40, your take profit is going to be much more profit than you would have hit take profit from your first entry here. So now an example of if you would place this trade without in strategy and not with GTMO strategy, you would put a lot 1.0 here at the bottom at the first entry. If this entry now goes and hits your stop loss, you're gonna have clearly the complete amount, which is 42 pips loss on the biggest lot size on 1.0, rather than having it splitted between. I have a splitted as well. Mine just looks a bit more like a mess. It's just because I'm placing way more entries than you are doing, because I have 1.6 million account. And for me to only make 4 trades, I would need to make maybe 10 lots or 15 lot each trade. But I don't want to place so huge lots at a certain point. You don't want to go in too big. You want to go in small and keep having space to keep entering. Because this is the point when sometimes we're going into drawdown and I'm saying liar sell or enter more sells or enter more buys, whatever it is. You guys might be on your limit. This is then completely wrong already. Yeah, because if you are on your limit already, then you are blowing your own account with one trade. This is already wrong. But I still have so much more space to go in more and more and still have a small loss, because all goes on percentages. Yeah, if I lose 50K, this is on percentage, nothing on this account. You get what I mean? So this is just an example. What you need to do now is you need to take this video and this live call as an advantage. I'm going to be uploading this in the YouTube as well, sooner or later. Take this as an advantage to learn and find your own strategy, just modified that your emotions can handle it. Okay, you might not enter like this. You might just say, I'm just gonna enter here the first. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna enter the first, and then I'm gonna enter at the top if I get the top. If I don't get the top, then it is what it is. You're gonna accept things as well. Or you're gonna say, you know what? I like the way Mo is doing with many more entries. I'm gonna use small lot size and I'm just gonna go place every 5 pips an entry. You can do that as well. So now you need to obviously also follow my instructions, yeah, because you want to end up in blues. Okay, I am ending up in blues most of the times, so I want you to end up in blues as well. So you need to follow my instructions. If you don't follow my instructions, then I can't make you end up in blue, because then it's only you doing it, okay? And if you end up in lose then, or in loss, then it is not my fault. So if we enter the first time here, the second time here, third time, fourth time, burrow here, and then gold comes all the way back down here, what we do is we need to not be greedy and reduce our risk. Sometimes, like today, for example, I've just kept holding on the trades. Look, I'm in 6K drawdown again, 5K. I'm just holding because I do believe there's gonna come a boom down. And again, even though that I say I'm holding, it shouldn't give you that big confidence to go all in, okay? It should give you confidence enough to risk 1 or 2%, not more. Okay, so please don't take this kind of confirmations from me as a full confidence and all in confirmation. Okay, so now I was just thinking on the meantime what we've been talking before. That's why I was hanging in my brain. So now if the price comes back down, yeah, it hasn't yet. It has been here. But usually when the price comes down below all entries, what I do then is I close my entries, half profits, and I take my break even, my stop loss below my entries, and then I'm gonna hold this and then see if it goes hit the take profits or not. If it hits break even, then it closes and I'm left with only the half profits that I took, but I didn't took any loss. I'm totally safe. Look, this bearish pressure, you see what I'm meaning? It can just boom down and that's it. It can happen at any time because people is still buying and buying because they still believe gold. Obviously, I do believe gold as well, But the situation right now just does not believe in gold, and that's what we're gonna follow. And the situation right now is the bearish trend that we have. So then the other thing and the last thing we're gonna be talking today about is just one last thing to gold, yeah. Please do manage your trades by yourself. If you are in blues and you want to close them, then don't always wait for me. You can make your own decisions as well, because this is where you're gonna get better. If you start making your own decisions. Okay, this is my chart view with all my zones. Yeah. So this is the sideway. This gray box, I want gold to break, because if it breaks this, then we're pretty sure gonna see some good lows here. Yeah, that's it. One more last thing, exactly what I want to say about the dollar now. I just switched the time frame, gonna leave gold for today. This, not for today, but for this live stream, I mean. So we have now the dollar, exactly same move as on gold. Yeah, a big push up. After the big push, we have a sideway. Do like that. We have a sideway. What we need for the dollar to do in order for our setup to play out is the dollar needs to go and break above. We need the dollar to be strong for gold to go drop. That's what we need. So we can watch this as well. That's it for the live stream. I think, let me just hang on one second. Hang on. Okay, there you go. So I hope you all enjoyed this live. I hope you all learned a lot of this live. I've been like talking with you now 30 minutes or 25 minutes, clearly just about gold and giving you thoughts of myself and thoughts and experiences. I hope all of you gonna make use of out of this. I hope all of you gonna make big profits today. At the end of the video, I want to mention once again two last things. The first thing is please trade at your own risk. Yeah, once you put money into your trading account, please accept and only afford to put in what you can. Oh no, my own risk warning is not good. We need to make this better. Trade at your own risk. That's it. In it. Trade at your own risk. That's it. There you go. Guys, I'm just making some jokes. But yeah, obviously trade at your own risk. And one more last thing is, if you ever gonna see Mo deleting a signal in the channel which has hit a stop loss, please come to me, show me that, and I'm gonna pay you 5,000. Why I'm saying this now is because the transparency I give you in my channel, nobody can give you. And I'm getting a bit annoyed if someone says that Mo deletes messages. I do delete messages in Telegram, yes, such as, hey, are you ready? Message me ready. Or, hey, you want a VIP? Get VIP, bam, bam. These messages I'm gonna delete. I don't want my channel to look like a mess. But signals and trades, I've never done it. So I challenge all of you guys, and good luck. I know you will never get paid this 5,000, so try it. Don't try it. It's waste of time, guys. Have a good time, and I hope we're gonna make some good profits today. Thanks for being there. Cheers.